What's going on, man? You got your boy Quanadon coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, man. We gonna get into these sneakers, man, but before we get into this video, make sure you mash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, man, to stay up to date with all my latest videos, man. And I do appreciate you if you have done so already. But without further ado, we gonna get into the kicks, man. So I got the shoes, baby. The shoes. Y'all know what that box is, right? Everybody know what that box is? Everybody know what that box is, right? Oh yeah. Basic. I don't care. At the end of the day, it's a Jordan box. So that means there's greatness inside this box, man. But we got your Air Jordan Retro 9s, size 10. Obviously my size. You already know what sneakers these is, man. What sneakers these is. I don't gotta show y'all the wrapping paper and all that boring stuff these other YouTubers be showing you. No dissing. Ain't throwing shots at nobody. I'm just saying that's boring when you show the wrapping and stuff. But anyway, we getting straight to the sneaks, man. So what y'all wanna do? Y'all wanna hear my opinion and how I feel about these? How I feel about these? Cause they still sitting in some stores, man. I believe they still sitting in some stores. Actually, I haven't. Yeah. Actually, they are sitting in some stores, especially the stores in where I live in Temple. They're sitting in the stores, man. So they definitely are sitting in the stores. You know what I'm saying? They're nice. But anyway, this shoe, I feel like in time, this shoe definitely gonna go up. It's definitely gonna go up in price. It's so much similar to the shoes that they call the Space Jams. You know, all of a sudden, I guess they released the same year as the Space Jams. Now they're the Space Jams. Not this shoe, but the actual shoe is white, black, and red. University red. But I do feel like this shoe gonna take off, man. I feel like it's gonna take off over time. Jordan 9s don't get a lot of love, man. Jordan 9s definitely don't get a lot of love. I don't know, maybe because it's a bulky sneaker. You know? To me, it doesn't look much like a basketball sneaker. Well, in a sense, I guess, but it's like real bulky. It looks like a boot kind of, in my opinion, as far as the Jordan 9s, man. But you got that University blue, man. You can't never go wrong with that blue. The University blue. There we go. So you got that University blue. Look at that, man. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the sparkle. You're not gonna be able to see the sparkle, but it definitely sparkles, man. It got that glitter effect on there, which is a dope touch to the leather. I'm not gonna complain about it. Definitely a nice shoe. I've never really been a fan of the Jordan 9 tongue, to be honest. I've never really been a fan of it. They alright, but you know, nice. So you got that fully leather upper. It's all white. The leather material, not really the best material on this sneaker. I don't think Jordan 9s ever get good quality leather. But the one around it doesn't feel too bad. The one that goes behind the heel and the ankle, that doesn't look too bad. And that University blue, like I said, man, that University blue is just something different. Like, you gotta think about it, man. That's definitely a UNC colorway. This is definitely a UNC colorway. You know what I'm saying? And his UNC colorways always go up. They always go up in price. Always. Air Jordan on the tongue. Air Jordan on the tongue there. So you got that Air Jordan label on the tongue as well. Air Jordan logo right here. Right below the heel as well. On that midsole there. It's really basic colors. You know what I'm saying? It's basic colors. Still a dope shoe. Mine's got a lot going on, man. I got my pair from Hibbett. It got a lot of sayings on it. Got a lot going on. like somebody was eating food over my pair or something. It got like a little sauce stain right there. I don't know what, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on with that. Some excess glue. Like, yeah. But definitely a dope shoe. Definitely a dope shoe. Like I said, they don't get a lot of love. They don't get a lot of love, but you know, it's whatever, man. People want to purchase, more for us. More for the ones who actually like the shoe because of the sneaker or the colorway or whatever the case may be, and not just, you know, getting them for the hype. So more for us. And how I'm starting to see it, man, there's a lot of good things going on right now, because it seems though times are really getting back to normal, man. Sneakers are really starting to sit on shelves more often. I mean, you had sneakers that you would not have known sold out around, you know, the time of the start of this COVID or this Corona that would sell out, and you'd be like, I ain't expect those to sell out, and they sold out off the shelf, off every, like, you just, it was nowhere in sight, like not a shoe in sight. But things are starting to look up, man. Things are starting to remain on shelves. You actually go in stores and see it in hand. You know what I'm saying? Instead of just having to win on the raffle, like some of these shoes you can go in store and see in hand. But that's dope, man. But anyway, dope shoe. If you not have yet picked up this shoe, pick it up. Pick it up. It's definitely gonna go up in pricing. It's definitely gonna go up in pricing. You know what I'm saying? Probably not by much, but it's so similar to an original colorway. You know what I'm saying? Besides the little hints of blue and, you know what I'm saying, like the university blue, it's so similar to that OG colorway, man. Pick these up. Pick these up. They're gonna go up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You'll make a profit off of them, definitely. And I wear my shoes, so I'm definitely gonna rock these. But these are supposed to be the birthday kicks on the birthday, but I ain't wearing them. Anyway, I got mines online probably what, 3 or 4 days after they release. I ordered some. So I was patient, man. I knew they wasn't gonna go too fast, so like, I'll wait. I grabbed them. But stay tuned, man. So I also got some more videos for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Also got some more videos of sneakers for y'all, man. I've been copying. Birthday time, you know what I'm saying? Mom Duke's been copying for me, so I got more videos coming, man. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and end this video. As I say and as I always say, it's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love, sneaker gang. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my soul. And we out, baby.